attention? If so, to deliver his speech. Please welcome.
Alhamdulillah zikafa wa salamun ala ibadillahi nastafa. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa tasimu bihablillahi jami'an wa la tafarraqu. Honorable President of Eco-Palestine, distinguished guest, dear organizer, respected brothers and sisters, youth leaders from the South and Southeast Asia. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude to the authority and Kelantan government to organize such a great event in here in the Islamic State of Kelantan. It is both an honor and deep responsibility to address this important gathering at a time when Muslim Ummah is enduring one of the most crucial times in its modern history. From the ashes of the First World War to the fall of the Ottoman Empire, the Muslim world has struggled to find its collective voice, its unity, and rightful place on the world stage. If you look at the history of Muslim Ummah, from the beginning of Medina state to up to the fall of the Ottoman Empire, or after the First World War, Muslim Ummah was the part of the world politics. They were the part of world order as well. But unfortunately, after the fall of First World War, we have lost our position on the world politics. And most of the crisis of Ummah has started after the First and Second World War. Only from the Ottoman Empire, around 50 above nation-state started in the modern time. And these states, either they are ruled by the colonial country or persecuted by their own dictatorial leadership. Dear young leaders, we are not merely observers of the history. We are the torchbearer of justice. With the voices of the voiceless people, we are the future defenders of Ummah. As the Secretary General of IPSO, I would like to say with full conviction, now is the time for the Muslim youth to rise, not in violence, not in anger alone, but in strategic, united, and value-driven action. Here, I would like to say we should focus some point like who is the only one leader. We must produce not only